Campbell May Edition. Kim Sun Young. KBL Awards. Look who's here. Our ambassador awarding the best 5. Justin was there. Iguani. Sahong Brothers. Of course, our MVP Ethan Al. There he is. MVP list. Calvin Epistola. And my KCC cap. Nayo's boyfriend. Nayo's brother-in-law. SJ Belangel. Miguel Oxon. Houng. What was his award?